my little love. So we're at Paultons. There's a dinosaur behind me. We're here at Paultons today. I was here a few weeks ago and I did some on-road POVs. Today is just a general vlog about Paultons Park. I actually really enjoy this park. I think it's a great family park. So we're in the park. We've been here about 10 minutes and we're going to head on Velociraptor. So that was Velociraptor. I love that little junior coaster, it's so cute. Just a little side note, as a parent, if you bring your child to a theme park and they don't want to get on a ride, don't shout and berate at them for being scared and tell them it was a waste of their money, because that is not fair and it's savage to do that. So please don't do that to your children if they're scared of something, because that will just instill fear for the rest of their lives. Just as a little side note. So we are heading on Splash Lagoon, which is the new ride here at Paultons Park for 2024. I absolutely love this ride. I think it's so well themed. I think it's so cute. So let's head on there now. It's a mini log flume, children's log flume, but I think it's just so cute and I love it. It's actually got a 5-minute wait. I love Paultons. Like, this is summer holidays and it's just walk on for everything. It's amazing. I genuinely think that is such a great junior kids kind of like first log flume, and you get pretty wet on it as well. So we're just having a little stroll through the gardens at the moment. I'm actually going to head and get a drink because I'm so thirsty. So we're going to head down through the gardens, get myself a drink. Gonna go and check out where the fairies live. How cute is that? I genuinely love this like little woodland kind of nature walks they have dotted around the park. Look at this bench, how cute. I don't know where theme park dude refuses to show it to him. He is of course the bench king. There's just so much going on. I just really like that you can just step away from the park for a bit. I'm just gonna swing around here. Oh, it's so cute. Look, there's another fairy house there. Oh, how cute. And there's the gang. So we are now heading on Storm Chaser. I absolutely love this ride. I think it's so good. It's so well themed. Like, I genuinely really enjoy it. So let's head on. Another walk on. What a day we are having here at Paultons today.
Once the Storm Chaser is
okay, so that's us done with Storm Chaser. I absolutely love that ride. I can't do multiple re-rides on that though, because it does make me feel a little bit sick just because of the spinning. And now we're heading into Peppa Pig. Let's see if we can find her. There she is, the queen herself. And there's George, I think that's their names. Hi. Paultons stuff. So as expected, pretty much everything inside Peppa Pig World is ridiculously long waits. So I'm not going to go on anything in there, but I am going to head into the wildlands and see what animals are out today. Oh my goodness, meerkats! Meerkats!
Sorry, bought it up yourself.
Alright, so we're gonna go check out the watermill. I'm excited about this. I didn't get to see this last time, so I'm generally like really excited. I'm a sucker for a nice like garden and landscape and stuff.
The Castle in Metz. This revolutionary new design roughly doubled the efficiency of existing undershot water wheels through a series of detailed improvements, and the Honcelot wheels quickly became common in France and Germany.
We're going to head onto the train next. Unfortunately, when we were last here, we weren't able to get on the train, so we're going to go and check that out. I'm really excited. I love a train that goes around a park, so I'm just like genuinely really excited. I loved that. That was so enjoyable, and it's such a nice to take a break. Also, when you hop off of the train, there is water refill stations, so make sure you stay hydrated. I know I've got a bottle of Pepsi now, but once this is finished, it will be filled up with water. Can you make your own? So, according to Sean, this is me. I'm a squirm. But at least I'm not a warp frog. So we just stopped for some lunch. Now everyone tells me like about Paultons. They're like, oh, the food's really expensive. I generally don't think it is. So I just got the kids chicken bites and waffle fries that comes with a barbecue beans and mayo. And it was £7, 30, 50, which I think is actually really good. But that might just be me. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's really good. Okay, so up next we are heading on over. So tired. It's having such a nice day. It's very, very warm though, like you can see where I'm catching the sun. But we move. I think it's about 29 degrees now. This is like massively hot, but apart from like the small water ride, obviously nothing else is kind of water based here. So starting to feel it a little bit. I cannot stand that ride. It's so painful. Just when you go around the corners, it's kind of like rattlesnake adjacent to it, just smashes you. So, one and done for me, that one. very warm. I might go check out another ride on dinosaurs. Okay, so the hair's had to go up. It is so warm. So we are now heading on the dinosaur tour co. I haven't been on this, and it's kind of like one of those moochie days where you just get on all the quiet little rides. So I'm really excited to get on this. Annie and Beth are with me. So is Sean. It is very warm though.
G'day guys, how's it going? You guys ever been on a dino safari before? Did you see that pair of coelophysis we just passed? They're real predatory dinosaurs with blade-like, finely serrated teeth. We better move on quick.
Oh, nothing.
Guys, I won't lie, the heat got too much and we went back on Splash Lagoon because I was roasting. Hello! So much fun for that love foam. So we're on Fight of the Pterosaur, Flight of the Dinosaur. Now, 10-minute queue. Probably a lot of people's last ride of the day, to be honest with you. The heat is going through a lot of people here today. So we're going to head on this, and then we're going to head back into Tornado Springs, and then we're just going to probably go. It's been a really good day here. See, it hasn't quite finished yet, but yeah, it's been a really awesome day, and can't wait to come back. Adorable. It's such a good like starter junior coaster as well, especially for that like overhead restraints. It's really good to like get them kind of ready for that. So now I'm forcing everyone to walk through the owl exhibit. Yay, Sheriff Owl. Oh, the Grand Owl. Alligator. Oh my goodness, an owl with ducks. I have fully lived. And that's Percy, the Paultons owl. So I'm currently outside Ghostly Manor, which was their new attraction for next year. It's a dark ride shooter. There's not too much going on, but I will try and get some shots, see what's happening. Starting to take shape. Sorry, it's so out of focus. There you go. Starting to take shape, guys. For it.
Oh, okay.
It's time for Farmyard Fire! Last ride of the day! So cute.
You must ensure all loose articles are left with a non-rider or in one of the storage boxes provided, as they cannot be retrieved if lost during the ride. And
So Annie and Beth have headed back onto Storm Chaser and I am dying. Sean's gone for a little walk as well. And you know what? I might have to call it a day soon and go for a beer. If you didn't know already, you can't actually buy a singular pint inside Paultons Park. I get it and I understand it. But yeah, so there is a couple of nice bars up the road. So we're probably going to head to one of those once them guys are done. It's been a great day and I'm so sad to be leaving, but yeah, I think it's time to call it before I fully just set on fire. But I'll see you guys soon. We all know what's about to happen here, don't we?